Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now, in previous class I already taught you exercise 9A. This exercise is the part of chapter 9. Chapter 9 and the chapter name is money. Okay, so all of you open your mathematics book and open the page number 156. In 156 this chapter is given, so today also I revise this exercise. So see here, question number first I already taught you, but in second question, find the total cost. One is done for you. So see, these are the questions. So see, in first question here, one bat and its price is 75, and here one ball and its price is 24. So you have to add this. Okay, here see, 75 plus 24, then we find the total cost. Okay, so here what we get, 99. Okay, now second one, here one sandwich and it price 46, and here one juice it price 20. So here also we have to add here. So 46 plus 20, what we get, 66. Likewise here, same lunch box and it price 13 rupees, and here water bottle and its price 38. So here similar, just add it here, these 13 plus 38, and then after that we get answer. So you have to complete this one. After that we come to the question number third, and the question is, break the amount of money in the price tag of each toy so below in such a way that each of these can be bought by using combinations of 3 currency notes. One is done for you. Okay, so we have to break this amount. Okay, see here, this is a ball and its price 25 rupees. Okay, and here 25 rupees is written, and then we have to break this amount. Okay, this amount. So here 10 plus 10 plus 5, then if we add these, then we get 25. Okay, likewise here next, one toy and its price 90 rupees, and if we break the 90 rupees, then here 50 plus 20, if here 50 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 20 rupees, then then we add it these, then we get 90 rupees. Okay, likewise here 45 rupees, then 20 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, these amount we add it, then we get rupees 45. Okay, likewise here 130 rupees. Okay, rupees 130. So 100 plus 20 plus 10, then we add these, then we get 130 rupees. Okay, likewise you have to complete the question number third. After that we come to the next topic, and our topic is subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. Okay, so you remember that one, when Tanya went to the dairy shop and she bought 2 items. What she bought? One chocolate and second one milk. Okay, so she bought 2 items for rupees 85. Then what if she did not have the change, but she had a rupees 100 note which she give to the shopkeeper? Then now how will she know how much she has to take back from the shopkeeper? This is a question. Okay, then from this she need to subtract 85 from 100. Okay, so now Tanya has to take back rupees 15 from the shopkeeper as change. Then here 100 minus 85. Okay, 100 minus 85. So she give, means Tanya give to the shopkeeper 100 rupees, and after that shopkeeper she has to take back from the shopkeeper how much amount. So here see, 100 minus 85, what we get? 15. So Tanya has to take back 15 rupees from the shopkeeper as change. Okay, so the given amount are subtracted as a ordinary number. Okay, now here come to the practice. Can you create the various combination in which the shopkeeper can pay rupees 15 to Tanya as change? Circle the appropriate currency notes and coins. Okay, so see here some coins are given. Some coins, so see here how much coins? 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, and here 5 rupees coins, 10 rupees coins, 10 rupees coins, and 1 rupees coin. And we have to search it here only 50 rupees. Okay, and circle the appropriate currency. Okay, sorry, coins. So here 15 rupees, so 10 rupees, if we add it 10 rupees plus 5, then we get 15 rupees. So here circle these. Okay, after that in question second, 15 rupees, so here 5 rupees note, 5 rupees note, here 10 rupees coins, 10 rupees coins, here 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, 2 rupees coins, and here 1 rupees coin. Then what we find it? Rupees 15. So here 10 rupees coins, we circle this one, and 5 rupees we can circle this one. Okay, then we get 15 rupees. Likewise you have to complete. After that come to the exercise 9b. Find the change. One is done for you. Find the change and one is done for you. Here you buy one instrument box and its price 61. Okay, and you pay to the shopkeeper how much amount? Here 50 rupees. Okay, and 20 rupees. Total how much? Add it, 50 plus 20, how much? 70. So you pay to the shopkeeper 70 rupees. Okay, so then how much amount you have to take back from the shopkeeper? Here see, 70 minus 61, how much? Just subtract it. How much amount? 9. Okay, so 9 rupees coins you have to take back from the shopkeeper as a coin, as a change. Okay, next come to the next question. Here one globe and its price 67, and similar here see 50 rupees here and 20 rupees, so add it how much? 70 rupees, and here 67. So similar you have to complete this exercise. Okay, similar do it. Okay, after that here second question, subtract the following amount from rupees 200. So you have to subtract 200 and 200, you have to subtract 178 from 200. Okay, likewise you have to subtract it. Okay, now next we come to the next topic, money in real life. Money in real life. So see here example also given here. Sanjana bought a packet of cashew nut from rupees 350 and a packet of dry plums for rupees 225. How much money did she spend? So solution also given here. So see, money is spent on cashew nut here 350 and money spent on dry plums 225. Then add it and total money spent here 575 rupees. Okay. So Sanjana spent total how much amount? 575 rupees. Okay. Now see the example second. Shreya got rupees 500 from her father. She spent rupees 325 for buying a pen drive. How much money did she return to her father? So here subtract it. Solution also given. So amount Shreya got how much? 500 and amount she spent how much? 325. Then how much money she returned? Here see 175. So Shreya returned 175 to her father. Okay, so these are the example and solution also given. So in the basis of this you have to complete exercise 9C. Okay, thank you.